So we're heading over to the spot that we couldn't make it through before on the factory rim and tire setup. We'll see how it goes on these new 30 Gorilla MT2s. Rims, tire setup that these 700 XMRs come with, yeah, they don't really like sand. Quite found the spot, but I always try taking the river, I guess. Problem is, this river's got a really sandy bottom. A lot of fucking deep holes. Like this one looks like one of them. Oh, it's deep in there. Oh, I don't know if it's too deep or not. Take the river out of here because it's all blocked. Yeah, I'm 100% sure where this is. Landscape changed overnight. We've had some wicked storms. Much tore up the whole terrain. Oh boy. This long grass really hides logs. Rocks, logs. Pretty good riding back here. have to be watchful for this brook, because man, does it have some hidden holes in it. Bad, deep holes, and the sand just, you barely touch it and just gives away. That's why I wanted to test these new tires today. Oh man, you know, you go 50 feet and it's blocked off again. Yeah, these 700s so far seem to be pretty impressive. I had the 570 XMR for a while. Oh God, that was a pretty good quad. For being a small V-twin, it had a lot of power. The only thing I really didn't like about it is it got really hot. And the fuel mileage really sucked. For being a 570. I think I'm back at where I started. And there's no way I'm getting around now. Not with that log right there. So we'll have to go back out here. Around. Oh Lord. Go out a little bit further. This turn. Maybe. She's close. It's a massive hump right here. What the hell? Go, you're gonna screw your quad up. Cause any damage? Saw it the last goddamn minute. This little thing. There, we finally found it. Took forever. But that spot right there underneath that tree, there's a really deep hole in there. It looks deceiving. It's only 10 foot wide, 12 foot. But it's got a deep hole and an extremely sandy bottom. So I'm going to set up a camera. We're going to try to go through it. See what happens. Be back in a second. Yeah, this part's pretty steep. We're gonna go full locked. Well, actually what we should do, go through and turn around and come back. Digs holes fast in here. This stuff, you can't really go fast. You really have to crawl. It has this bottom that just caves away. Oh boy, this is deeper than I thought it was. I'm actually surprised I made it. I'm actually surprised I got out of those holes I started to dig. Factory tires, I couldn't. There was no getting out. Once she dug a hole, that was it. She was done. Okay, go easy. Go easy. Crawl out, little girl. This is the hole I'm talking about. Come on, old girl. Bite something. Come on, bite. Oh, there you go, bite out. Come on, old girl. Oh, see this stuff? You almost get nothing out of it. You just start spinning and eating away. No bottom. It's like a quicksand. You cannot spin at all. Come on, old girl. Woo! God damn. Good. Wow. Well, either way, my old tires, they want to dug it all. These ones at least made it. I had to help her though. It is what it is. We all need help sometimes. This bottom right here is just insane. I mean, you saw it. You barely spin the tires, it just digs a hole. And the bottom just disappears. I wonder if any speed will help me get out of here. All right. There's that. Back her up and get the skid plate cleaned off. Throw the skid plates under. know if I'm recording anymore. Just kind of letting some of the water run through it, clean her off a little bit. I'll tell you what, don't let these little brooks be deceiving. It might be small, but she's mighty. He is mighty. I got 15 and a quarter inch ground clearance, 30-inch Gorilla MT2s, big lugs, big side lugs. It just swallows you. I think everybody thinks you have to have these big mud holes out somewhere to bury your quad or test your quad. No, you'd be surprised. Some of these little streams and stuff running through the woods, boy, they'll test your machine more than you thought it could. That's good enough, I guess. Alright. Well, that's going to be it for this first short video. I'm going to head back to the house. See how the footage turned out. But this is Swamp Donkey bringing you 700 XMR 30-inch Gorilla MT2s SS wheels. Marketplace buy, paid 500 bucks. I'd say it made a difference. Alright, peace out. Yeah. Just test any damage. I think I had that one little thing in the front. Lord. It looks good here. Don't see anything broke. I had a branch push this in, so I'll have to try to fix that. I don't think my headlight got messed up. Where's my... No, headlight's good. Sweet. A little bit of plastic, no biggie. Alright, let's head home. It's hot.